Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to mint the OP BNB NFT on Astra Nova. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. What you need to do is just open the page. This is a free mint for all black pass holders. As long as you've minted your black pass, it's a free mint for everyone that holds the black pass NFT. So when all you need to do is just click on missions. If yours is on my stats, just switch to missions. You'll find claim an OP BNB NFT. Click on it. Just click on mint and just wait a little bit for it to load. So you successfully minted the OPBNB NFT. So just go back to the dashboard, then claim your 100 shards. As you can see, click on claim, and also don't forget to claim your daily rewards and also to spin daily. As you can see at the bottom, daily login, claim daily. Then also you scroll down and you find write a tweet with Astra Nova or RVV. You can also perform this action daily to get 5 shards. Also, do not forget to spin daily. You can find that on my stats. Spin the wheel, spin daily to get shards. So that's how it works. You get different prizes for each day. Go back to dashboard. So I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.